Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars of the late 1970s, the 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This is a car that perfectly captures the attitude, sound, and street presence of an era when muscle cars were fighting to survive changing regulations, rising insurance costs, and fuel economy pressures. Yet somehow, the Z28 didn't just survive. It became a legend. From the moment you see the 1979 Camaro Z28, it's clear this car means business. The front end is aggressive and unmistakable. It's dominated by the deep-set grille and quad headlights that give it a wide, planted look. The Z28 stood apart thanks to its bold graphics package, including the large hood decal that instantly told everyone this wasn't a base Camaro. The hood itself is long and muscular, flowing smoothly into sharp body lines that stretch down the sides of the car. The fender flares are subtle but purposeful, giving the Camaro a wider stance and helping it sit low and mean on the road. The Z28's Pacific wheels fill out the wheel wells perfectly, adding to the car's planted appearance. Around back, the rear spoiler completes the look, not just as a styling touch, but as a symbol of performance intent. The taillights are simple and rectangular, framed neatly within the rear panel, while the dual exhaust hints at the power lurking underneath. What really makes the 1979 Z28 special is how cohesive the design feels. It's not overstyled, but it's far from plain. Every line, every decal, and every curve works together to create a car that looks fast, even when it's standing still. This is peak second-generation Camaro design, refined over the years into something that still turns heads. Decades later, under the hood is where the Z28 earns its reputation. In 1979, performance was a delicate balancing act. But Chevrolet made sure the Z28 delivered a driving experience worthy of the badge. Most Z28s came equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8, offering strong low-end torque and that unmistakable American V8 sound. It wasn't about outrageous horsepower numbers on paper. It was about real-world performance, throttle response, and driver engagement. Fire it up, and you're greeted with a deep, throaty rumble that instantly puts a smile on your face. The engine feels alive, especially at lower RPMs, where it delivers smooth, confident power. Acceleration is strong and satisfying, and while it may not match the raw numbers of earlier muscle cars, the Z28 still feels quick and eager, especially for its time. The suspension setup on the Z28 was tuned for performance, offering improved handling compared to standard Camaros. On the road, the car feels stable and predictable with a solid connection between driver and machine. You can feel the weight of the car, but it's balanced, and it responds well to steering inputs. This is a car that encourages you to drive it, not just admire it. The transmission options added to the experience. Whether you were rowing through the gears with a manual or enjoying the smooth delivery of an automatic, either way, the Z28 delivers a classic muscle car driving feel, raw, mechanical, and engaging. It's not overly refined, and that's exactly the point. Every vibration, every sound, every shift reminds you that you're driving something special. Inside the 1979 Camaro Z28, the interior is straightforward and driver-focused. The bucket seats offer decent support and hold you in place during spirited driving, while the overall layout keeps everything within easy reach. The dashboard is simple and functional, with clear gauges that give you all the information you need without distraction. The steering wheel feels solid in your hands, reinforcing that sense of control and connection. Materials are typical of the era, durable and honest, with an emphasis on function over luxury. While it may not have the refinement of modern interiors, it delivers exactly what you expect from a late 70s performance car. Visibility is good for a coupe of this style, and the low seating position makes you feel planted and part of the car. The rear seats are there, but, like most muscle cars, they're better suited for short trips or extra storage. This is a driver's car first and foremost. What truly sets the 1979 Camaro Z28 apart is the experience it offers. This isn't just about specs or numbers. It's about emotion. It's about the sound of the engine, the feel of the steering, and the way the car makes you feel when you're behind the wheel. It represents a time when style, personality, and performance mattered deeply, even in challenging times for the automotive world today. The 1979 Z28 holds a special place among collectors and enthusiasts. It's a symbol of resilience, a reminder that muscle cars never truly died, they simply evolved. Whether you admire it for its looks, respect it for its performance, or love it for the memories it brings back, the Camaro Z28 continues to stand tall as a true American classic. That's what makes this car so special. It's not just metal and rubber. It's history, attitude, and passion wrapped into one unforgettable package. If you appreciate classic muscle with real character, the 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a car that deserves your respect.